Greetings everyone. I just wanted to quickly introduce our next project here at Flying Owl Comics. I picked this up from our good friends at A1 Comics. It's 1948. It's Freedom Train and it's listed as a 1.5. We're going to try and recover some of this. It has extreme water damage. So let's take a quick look at this. And I move this up closer to the camera. As you can see, the water damage is quite extensive. There's black on the staples, the back. It's got gorgeous colors, but the water damage is like this thing sat in a puddle. It's just really a shame to see a book like this, especially one this age. So what we're going to do is we're going to disassemble this and we'll take a hard look and we'll work up a treatment process. Right now I can see we're going to do a deacidification of all the pages. We're going to lighten it a bit. Hopefully we can get rid of some of the rust stains. I did spot earlier there's a little bit of tape on the cover and we'll deal with that as well. So stand by and keep an eye out and we will start this project very shortly.